Welcome to the Multi-Site YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be demonstrating to you how to use the platform to build a website for your private investigator business. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video on YouTube and you aren't quite familiar with the Multi-Site service yet, Multi-Site is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's that simple. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people's side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top now and I'm going to search for my market, private investigator. And now I'm going to go ahead and select that option. Great, let's tell Multi-Site a few basic details about our private investigation business so it can generate a simple website. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Multi-Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change that type of business from restaurant to service and go ahead and click on continue and let Multi-Site work its magic and create a simple website for me. And look at that. It's literally done it in less than a minute. It's really impressive. Let's take a closer look. Awesome. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you, as you can see, just as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images, and you can see they're all high quality, and the great thing about it is they're all completely free to use, no licenses needed or anything like that. However, if you've got your own images and you want to make one or two changes to the content that was pre-written for you, you can absolutely do that. It's super simple. So today I'm going to be walking you through the process, each section from the top to the bottom, making my way through so you can see how easy it is to use the multi-site platform. Now, you don't need to know any coding. You don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone, pay a huge budget or anything like that to get assistance with this. You can certainly do it yourself. So let's get cracking. I'm now going to quickly head to the top and I'm going to click on update section. Now over here, I'm going to go ahead and put in my email address for my company. And the first thing I want to do is click on show email on site. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner of my multi-site page. Let's go ahead and pop our phone number in over here. And that is click to call, by the way, so your customers can easily get in touch with you. I'm now going to go ahead and put my address as well as my postal code. Now, the great thing about that address is when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's go ahead and click on update social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms that your private investigation business is active on. Let's go ahead and click save. The icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner. Let's move along. Over here, I'm going to go ahead and update my logo. If you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Mighty Sites will literally just display your name here of your business, and it still looks really professional. You can update it at a later stage. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and browse my device and upload it. Awesome. Let's go ahead and click on save. Now we can make it bigger and smaller to suit our needs. I'm going to go ahead and leave it exactly the way it is. If you don't have a logo yet, I do recommend that you check out canva.com, by the way. There's a few great options on there, so do check it out. Now, perhaps the colors used throughout your multi-site platform, your website for your private investigator business aren't suitable for your branding. Perhaps your logo and your signage, your business cards are completely different color, although I'd say that this color that was pre-selected for you is pretty neutral. However, if you want to change it, you don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on this handy little paint bucket over here and go through the various different color palettes available to you. We are adding more every single week. So let's see which ones are best suited for our business. Let's go ahead and scroll right to the end and just choose a different color that works best. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one and save my color palette. I'm now going to hit to update section over here and hit to update image. I really want to change that image over there. If you have your own image, browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. So it will automatically search for private investigator, and there are some suitable images there. However, you can change the terms a little bit. So I'd also search for different things like magnifying glass. Let's go ahead and put that, as that is a great representation of a private investigator. So there we go. That is actually pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and select that one. Let's select it and save our image selection. That looks awesome. I'm happy with it. I'm now going to hit update content. Now over here, you can change that title and subtitle to suit your needs. And that button doesn't have to say contact us today. You can put something else. So let's go ahead and say get in touch and go to choose link. Now we can link to another part of our multi-site website. The lead form at the bottom is a great option. So I'm actually going to leave it as that because I want people to use that lead form. I am going to get to it in just a second, so don't stress. However, you can link to another website. Perhaps you have a calendar booking website where you take bookings for an initial free consult. You can also link to an action like click to call directions or click to email and upload a PDF file. So perhaps you have like your services in PDF format, like a catalog, I guess you could say, your different rates and stuff like that. Upload it as a PDF file. So when your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to that PDF file you've uploaded. But for this, I'm going to leave it as it is at the moment as the lead form. And I'm now going to go ahead and move along. Over here, again, another section button can link to various places, content pre-written for you to make your life as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your private investigator business. But if you want to make changes, all you need to do is click on that update section button. I've now made my way into the about us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how you got into the industry, how long you've been a private investigator for, what made you get into this industry, what's your commitment to your clients, do you focus on confidentiality and stuff like that. Go ahead and put all the details over here. Your customers would love to hear more details about you and see that they can trust you with whatever service they need assistance with or whatever pressing issue they've got at the moment. Image can be updated. All you need to do is click on update section. Over here, image again can be amended if you need to change it. All you need to do is click on update section, go through that photo library or upload one of your own. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services your private investigator business offers. Do you assist with missing person investigations, social media investigations, child custody, nanny background? Perhaps you offer employment checks, conflict of interest. Go ahead and put all the details over here. Do you offer a free consultation? Put all of the details over here so that your customers know what they can come to you for, what different issues they're facing that you can assist them with. Over here, we've made our way into the last section, that lead form that I've just mentioned to you. Over here, your customers can easily get in contact with you, put in their details, their message, and click on send. Now, once they have submitted that message, you will get notified via email that you have a lead via this form. You can also find all your various leads that you have come in via this form in the client dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Let's just take one last look at our simple website. Multi-Site's just generated for us with all our details we've just given them. It's literally was such a breeze. I didn't need to know any coding and I didn't need to get anyone or hire anyone to help me with this project. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So go ahead and click on the link below this video and sign up for the free trial. If you have a custom domain, which if you don't, you can purchase one through the multi-site platform. We've just recently introduced that feature, which is so exciting. But if you do have your own custom domain, you can connect it by clicking on this button over here. There is a blog post with a step-by-step tutorial on how to do that with your domain hosting company over on our blog, www.multisites.com. Click on blog, and there's also some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. If you are still struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available as well on our YouTube channel, and you can as well drop us a message and we will assist you with linking your custom domain, connecting it if you need some assistance. So feel free to do that as well. I'm now going to click on stop editing and head over to the site dashboard. Over here is where you can find the leads from that form that I've just shown you on the previous screen. So look at that. We've literally launched a one-page website for our private investigator business. It was such a breeze. If you have any suggestions, any features you'd like to see in future on the multi-site platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. We really are wishing you and your business mighty success. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so more people can hear about the multi-sites platform.